Hello everyone and welcome to the Swift Academy. My name is Sajjad. I am an iOS developer with more than 8 years experience in the Apple ecosystem. The reason that I'm trying to create a SwiftUI Bootcamp course for you is that to show you how you can become an expert and be a senior developer in the field of the iOS or even the Apple ecosystem. SwiftUI introduced 4 years ago by the Apple, and they are trying to push you to use these kind of framework. And the reason is obvious. SwiftUI is so powerful. If you remember from the past, from the beginning, you can develop the Apple applications based on the Objective-C language. Then they converted to the Swift, they introduced the UI kit framework on the top of it for creating the UIs, and now they introduced the SwiftUI. You can use the Swift language with the SwiftUI framework to create so many beautiful apps and also so many robust and actually strong applications. If you are trying to learn SwiftUI based on the other courses that show you how to create an application, that's okay. But you are not going to learn anything fundamentally by copying and pasting their codes that they are showing you on their own courses. That's okay. After that, you can actually trying to use your knowledge to create application even by watching other courses. I'm totally fine about that. But the reason is that you have to learn everything fundamentally, because later you are going to create your own applications with your own needs, with the UIs and the views that your application needs. So it's better to learn everything from scratch and fundamentally. So be with me in this journey. I will show you and teach you how to use the power of the SwiftUI to create so many beautiful apps.